Hi, I want to show you how you can create these exact animation videos using a free software. You can use this animation for your presentation, for your project, or just generating YouTube videos. So what you simply have to do is you can come to Canva, and once you're on Canva, click on where it says create a design, and from there select where it says video. Since we are creating whiteboard animations, we'll leave the background to white. Then what we have to do from here is we can come to text and we can type in our text like that, and we can increase the size of how much we want it. From there we can place our text anywhere we want it. Once that is done, you can also change the font of your text. From there what we simply have to do is we can come to elements and we can search for any element that we are looking for depending with what we are creating at that moment. So once we select our image, we can increase the size like that. Then once we are done, we can come to where it says add page and we can add in another page depending with what we are creating. So let's say I want to add in an elephant. I'll go to graphics. I'll pick the elephant that I prefer. So I love this one. Can place this one here. Then from there I can flip the elephant like that. I can also add in a second elephant, that's if I want. From there what I'll simply do is I'll come to text and I'll bring in this text and I'll type elephant. From there I'll change the text font and I'll place my font, my text anywhere I feel like placing it. Depends with what you're creating. So once everything is done, what you have to do is download all these videos as PNG files. So just come to share and click on download. Instead of downloading them as videos, download them as PNG files and click on download. Okay, so once your images have been downloaded, what you simply have to do is to delete these videos. And once these videos are deleted, all you have to do is come to where it says apps and search for Speed Penta. There is Speed Penta and Speed Penta. Go for Speed Penta. It's a free tool that anyone can use, and click on this one. So from there what you have to do is just upload your file here, the one that you had downloaded. So you upload one image at a time. So select the first one, it's this one. Here where it says sketch duration, I'll select it to be 5 seconds. And the color fill, I'll leave it to 3 seconds. So which means our entire video will be 8 seconds long. From there, I'll click on generate. Once it finishes animating your video, all you have to do is click on add to design and your video will be added to your design. So just enlarge your video up to that much so that it fills your desired size. This is perfect. From there, click on where it says add page to add your second page, and here just click on where it says go back, and from there here we're going to delete this image. We're going to select choose file. We're going to select our second file, which was an elephant, and we'll leave the settings to the way they are, just 5 seconds on sketch duration and 3 seconds on color fill duration, and we'll click on generate. And once it finishes loading, all you have to do is click on where it says add to design. From there, just increase the size of your video to your preference. Perfect. So this is amazing. Now let me show you how everything looks once more. So okay, so this is perfect. If you found any value in this video, please like and subscribe to our channel. If you're new to our channel, we share ideas on how you can start your own YouTube channel and create content that adds value to the lives of the people. And if you have any questions, please let me know in the comment section below. And for now, I'd love you to watch this video on how you can create kids educational music completely for free.